Let's start with the nitrogen cycle. All of you also draw the nitrogen cycle and show it to me. Hurry up, online students. Yes, nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen, how much nitrogen is present in the atmosphere? Are we able to use that one? No. Then how we will take this nitrogen? Nitrogen in atmosphere. Who will use this nitrogen? By plants. That is called plants. They will use it by biological fixation. Who will do this biological fixation? By rhizobium. Why this is called biological? Living organisms. Rhizobium bacteria. Then from these plants, who will take this? By eating, like nutrition. Arrow should be proper, right? After that, animals, they die and excrete. What they will release? Ammonia. Excretion. Who also release the ammonia? Plants also release the ammonia, and this process is called ammoniation. Right? After this ammonia again comes into the soil, then bacteria act on it. Converts into nitrites. Right? And this process is nitrification. Which bacteria help it? Here the Nitrosomonas bacteria. Right? Nitrosomonas bacteria, it convert ammonia into nitrites and then nitrates. Who will do? Then it goes back to the atmosphere. Denitri. Who will do this denitrification? Pseudomonas bacteria. This nitrate is present in the soil and the plants will take this, and this is called nitrate assimilation. This is the cycle, but directly nitrates, this nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen is directly converted into nitrates by physical nitrogen fixation. By physical nitrogen fixation. Write down this thing. This is nitrogen cycle. Is it clear? यहाँ पे ध्यान nitrites and nitrates. Is it clear, bete? Right? Okay. So no mistake. Clear? What other mistakes you had done in the test? What other mistakes? Global warming you are not explaining in a very proper way. The question was there like the threat or the serious threat. Kya hai? Ice caps, polar ice caps melt and rainfall pattern change, climatic conditions change. It affects naturally if the rain pattern will change, climate change, then it affect the agricultural also because we are not able to grow crops in that manner, right? I know. So these points you have. What are the threats? Greenhouse effect, that is the gases, the greenhouse gases. What are the gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, CH4 and CFCs. These gases, when the increase in the concentration in the Earth atmosphere, which is called the global warming. No need. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Right? What other you want to revise? Cell or electroplating. So you have to write down the answer of the electroplating, but please write down the example properly. Means which you are using the which metal on other metal. Write down the both the metals name. Means the gold is electroplated on the silver jewelry. Write down like this. Tin, ya copper, ya chromium plating, where you are doing. Write down these things. Is that clear? Yes. Right? Any other question in the test? All are okay. And the parts I am telling you the name to organelles that is present only in the animal cell, lysosomes and centrosomes. What are the lysosomes other name? Suicidal bags. And what are the organelles that is present only in the plant cell? Cell wall and plastids. Yeah, chloroplast. Right, beta? Is it clear to online students? What is frequency? Number of oscillations or total time taken. This is the one formula that we will use to calculate the frequency, and how we can calculate the time period. Second, 1 over f. 1 over, right? We can calculate these two. Now, what is given? If the number of oscillations are given 50. One question you had done wrong in your test. The audible sounds and the inaudible sound, the three differences, right? You are not able to write down the range between them. What is the range of the audible sounds? 20 to 20,000 hertz, but no one is writing. And inaudible, 20 less than 20 hertz and more than 20,000 hertz. Both are inaudible, right? So you please mention, if it is written that the range, then you have to write what we can hear and what we are not able to hear. So numerical, total number of oscillations cause the 50 oscillations in 10 seconds. What is the answer? 5 what? 5 hertz. H capital, Z like this. 5 hertz. Right? And if I have to calculate the time period, then what we will do? 1 over 5. So what is the answer? Put it in this formula. First we are calculating the 50 upon 10, that is equal to the 5 hertz. If we have to calculate time period, then what frequency is this? This is your frequency. 1 upon frequency, that is 0.2 seconds. Is it clear? If any other back exercise questions will be there. Yes. Any other value, if we are saying? Anthony, Van, you, Van Hope. बोलो वैल्यू. ऐसे ले लेते हैं. Now what is the and here they look here. We will put this in this formula. If we have to calculate frequency 200 oscillations upon 10 seconds, then we will calculate 20 hertz. And if we have to calculate time period, then is equal to the 1 upon frequency. 1 upon frequency, that is 1 upon 20. What is the answer? आप बताओ. जीरो पॉइंट सॉल्व करो. कैसे? ठीक है. Any other doubt? Okay, force and pressure numericals we also did. बताइए. If we have to calculate the numericals on force and pressure, force is equal to what formula? Pressure is equal to force per unit area. That is the pressure, right? Given the values 200 N, that is Newton, 5 meter square. Suppose अगर दूसरी साइड पे है, force is equal to the follow 400 Newton and area 10 लूं 8 लूं, right? We have to calculate which is more, which creates a more pressure, right? So what we will do, pressure is equal to the force per unit area. Write down the formula please. I am again repeating. That means 240 Newton per meter square or 40 P capital A small, 40 Pascal. And we will calculate here, pressure is equal to force per unit area. Force is 400, 8 5s are 40. It is 50 Newton per meter square or 50 Pascal. Which creates a more pressure? This or this? Which creates a more pressure? This one. Out of this and this, which creates a more pressure? This. And if they given the pressure and after that they are asking you to the force, suppose they are saying to calculate the force. Macha, we are doing the random like that, है ना? Suppose pressure given है ठीक है, एरिया, what is force, but we will do force is equal to pressure is equal to force per unit area. Look here, force is equal matlab it's not given, what is given, this 20 F we have to calculate, 5 is given, this 5 will goes here, 20 into equal to force 100 unit Newton, that is the 100 Newton. Okay, if it is written like this, yellow 5 centimeters square, because our units are Newton per meter square, and if it is centimeter is given, then what we will do, I am just erasing it and doing here, you can convert this term, ठीक है, centimeter to meter divided by, right, लेकिन here the square, so it is divided by, ठीक है, but it will come 0.00005, 1 2 3 4, ठीक है, it is this. Now put here 20 upon 0.0005, again it will goes here, it will become 20 into 0.0005. You can write the decimal हटा के 5 2s are 10 0 0 0, एक मिनट, 0 कटिंग कर लेते हैं, 2 1s are 2, 1 upon 100, and after that you will write down the 1 upon 100 Newton को convert करके. Is it clear? Any doubt? Sure? Any other? If they will ask you to calculate the area, so you will divide the force. Suppose here, force is 10 Newton. They are saying calculate area. So what we will do? Pressure is equal to force per unit area. Pressure 20, force 10, area. So what we will do? ये यहाँ आएगा कि ये यहाँ? ये यहाँ, ये यहाँ. Area will come over here 10 upon 20. 0 0 cancel. But 1 upon 2 और decimal में देखो, जब मैंने वहां पे 5 मीटर स्क्वायर लिया था, सेम लाइक घूम फिर के हमारे पास द आंसर विल कम. गेटिंग? इज इट क्लियर? यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट डाउन द 1 upon 2, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं हम. इज इट ओके बेटे? Any doubt in these numericals now? Any other thing you want to ask?